Hello, welcome to another video of Fat People. Today I shall be showing you a new game. This game is called Rich City. And in this game, it's just like Metro Apocalypse. In this game, you have to hide from zombies. It's the same thing as the last one. Let's get right into it. So of course we want a shotgun down here and some type of bat. And I just take fish tank because I'm a chicken. And we'll take a pill. Pills are good because you don't end up being the first zombie. So let's get right into it. First you have to find a good spot. Oh, oops. Right here seems good. Alright. Terrorist? No. And I may have told you this in my last, so the controls are the same as Metro Apocalypse. And, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Alright. So, anyways, now we wait. Oops. Oh man. Oh man. I will tell you, a lot of people think that immunity pill means that you don't turn into a zombie, but really it's just you don't end up being the first zombie. It's like a chance type thing. Nobody wastes their time trying to get to me. Oh, no, this guy did. I win. In your face. The trick, if you do end up, getting tagged, you always want to be in front of the other person. That way, if you get tagged, then you tag the other person. So, excuse me, dude. You're in my way. No, excuse me. Here, let me push this guy. Thank you. Darn it. Oh, that guy is huge over there. Okay. No. What in the world? Ads are so annoying. Man, nobody even understood that thing. It was by so fast. Like, oh, speak from blah, 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 blah. Okay. Sounds good to me. Never buy super shotgun. Go ahead and go for a shotgun. That. Boom. And we all gonna die. Don't worry, I got you. Whoa, what was that? Was that some gibberishness? Nerf, 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 nerf. Yeah, load her up, boy. If you can, buy 2 pills. 100% immunity. Right. Oh yeah. I ain't going nowhere. Oh, I hate those guys. No, 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 no. Oh my god, he just killed himself. Smush. To eat. Smush myself in there. Like, excuse me. Thank you. Come on, get out the way, boy. I'm trying to fix it. Don't worry, you'll get. Oh my god. Right, you are going to stay over there. Alright? I'm just gonna smush you. Cause you dumb. Alright, you just killed us all. Oh, you telling me to stop, boy? I will mess you up. Let's see. We're gonna mess this guy up. Uzi, let's get an Uzi. Nobody tells me to stop. I told you. You just killed us all. Get back, boys. Oh, I died. Not today. Yeet. Oh. Not today. I said not today, y'all. I said not today, y'all. Good idea. Yeah, I'll come over here and I like to smoosh that in there. You can't reach this. Oh man. Oh no. Yeah, in your face, losers. I knew it. Oh, we. Come on, get through, y'all. Come on. Oh, really? Traitor. Ha. Loser. In your face. If I can't get in, none of us can get out. Alright, let's find another place. What's this say? Alright, nice. We got that. Yeet. Oh, missed. Yeah, come on. Yeet. No. Don't worry, I squished myself through. Oh yeah, he can do it. Alright, if he can do it, I can do it. Yeet. In your face, y'all. I can't. Gotta help me, man. Gotta help me. Oh man. You just destroyed us all with your nasty speed potion. Ooh, speed potion, huh? Yeah, speed pill. Oh yeah, I take speed pill, you know. I like speed pill, you know. Okay, speed up. Yum. I took a speed pill. Why am I not going any faster? Oh, do I have to press shift? Like shift? You know? Oh no, I don't want that. I don't know how speed pills work. I don't want to be a zombie. Yeet. This is the slowest ever. This is not a speed pill. Boy, I took a speed pill. Why ain't it working? Am I a zombie? No, I ain't. Get out of my way, boy. Stop eating chicken nugget. Yes. Yes. No, run. Ah! A zombie in your face, loser. Pardon me. In your face, boy! Loser! Got him! I can do it. Just gotta smush and squeeze and smush and oh yeah, but. Boy, do you not know how to get in there? Let me help. Let me help. Let the master do it. Get out of my way. Say, get out of my way. Let the master do it. No! You're dumb! Got him! That's sweet. Yeah. Oh, man! He survived? That's dumb. How do the speed pills work? I don't know. But what I do know is I want that gun and this gun. And I got a lot of points. We're gonna try speed pill again. Yes, let's go with my speed. How speed pill work? How speed? I don't know, but we. Oh yeah, super jumps. That's right. Whoa! Whoa! What just happened? Whoa! That's sick! Oh, I can't buy anymore. Oh, too late. I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie. Oh, bye-bye. Alright. Well, so I give you a little preview of the game. So, don't forget, guys, always subscribe to me, like these videos, get me to, I should start with, if I can get 10 likes on this video, I'll do another preview of one of these games, or, recommendations for games I always take in comments. So yeah. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.